Very good morning, dear students. This is your trainer Payal here, and welcome to your favorite channel, Be the Perfect. You all might be wondering that why your trainer is saying your favorite channel, because I am sure by now this channel has become favorite of each and every students, because in this channel every day we come with innovative ideas, we come with innovative sentences, vocabulary words. So students, as I promised that we are going to come with the second part of stop saying very too often in speech or while drafting a letter. So students, let's initiate the session and I want you all to pay attention. Let's begin with the first word, very creative. The very first word is very creative. So instead of saying very creative, you all can use advanced term which is innovative. Just now I constructed a sentence that this channel comes with creative ideas. So instead of saying creative, you all can say innovative. So team, I want each and every one of you to participate in this competition and come with innovative ideas so that you all can secure the first position. So did you all notice how I used innovative instead of saying very creative? Let's go to the next word, very crowded. So for very crowded, you all can use bustling. Let's construct a sentence. I avoid going to public places or public tourist destination during the peak season because it's extremely bustling, and I avoid bustling places. So instead of saying very crowded, we are using bustling. We avoid bustling places during the peak season as it is very rushed there. It is overcrowded. Okay, let's go to the next word, very deep. So for very deep, you all can use the advanced word profound. He met with an accident and he got a deep cut, and for that he immediately rushed to the hospital. So instead of saying very deep, you all can say profound. Well, he met with an accident and he got a profound cut, and that is the reason he immediately rushed to the hospital. His words has marked a very deep effect in my mind. So his words had marked a profound effect in my mind. So instead of saying very deep, see how I am using the advanced word which is profound. Let's go to the next word, very difficult. I repeat myself, very difficult. So instead of saying very difficult, we can use an advanced term which is arduous. I repeat myself, arduous. My boss has given me very difficult work and henceforth I cannot take leave for 3 to 4 days. My boss has given me very arduous work and I am so sorry I cannot take leave for 3 to 4 days. We are overloaded with difficult tasks, and that is the major reason we cannot come home during the Diwali festival. We are overloaded with arduous tasks, and that's the major reason we cannot come home during the Diwali festival. So instead of saying very difficult, we are using advanced vocab which is arduous. Let's go to the next word, very dry. I repeat myself, very dry. So for very dry, you can use the vocabulary word which is arid. I repeat myself, very dry, arid. I can say Sahara Desert is very dry place. So avoid going during the summer season or during hot, when it is scorching hot. So Sahara Desert is very arid. So avoid visiting during the scorching heat or during the summer season. So for very dry students, you all can use arid. Okay, let's go to the next word, very eager. Very eager. I am very eager to know that what kind of questions my interviewer is going to ask me. I am very keen to know what kind of questions my interviewer is going to ask me. I am very eager to know how much incentive I am going to receive this year. I am very keen to know that how much incentive I am going to receive this year. Next word, very easy. This work is very easy for Mr. Agarwal as he is very efficient leader. This work is absolutely effortless for Mr. Agarwal as he is very intelligent and he is quite witty enough. So instead of saying very easy, we are saying effortless. This task is very easy for the young generation. They all are engrossed in tag, digital. So this task is extremely effortless for today's generation as they are every time involved in digital gadgets, tab and mobile. So very easy, effortless. If you work hard every day, things are going to be very easy for you. Students, it's going to be very effortless for all of you if you work hard every day. Next word, very evil. Do not mind, very evil. I don't want to give this position to Niharika as she is evil-minded. I do not want to give this position to Niharika. I am sorry all the Niharikas. I do not want to give this position to Niharika as she is wicked-minded. Oh, my neighbor is a wicked lady. She is very evil. So instead of saying very evil, I use the vocab word very wicked. Okay, students? So please do not mind I took the name of Niharika, right? Let's go to the next word. Your trainer is someone who always keeps laughing, okay? Next word, very excited. I am very excited to teach my new batch of students. I am very excited that next month I am going to become the vice president of my company. So I am very thrilled that very next month I am going to become the vice president. I am very excited that I am going to train the new set of students. So I am very thrilled that very soon I am going to train the new batch. Okay? Then let's go to the next word, which is very expensive. Please do not buy very expensive clothes. It is my request. Students, do not spend money on costly clothes. So instead of saying very expensive, I use the vocabulary word costly. Okay? I don't want to visit, you say Dubai during November or December as it's the peak period. I do not want to go to Dubai during November or December as it's very costly. They have the peak season. So very expensive, I used a good vocabulary word which is costly. Very fancy. So for very fancy, you all can use lavish. In today's world, people want to lead a very fancy life, and for that they are following all this social sites. They are following all the easy ways to earn money. In today's world, people want to lead a very lavish life, extravagant life, and for that they are adopting unfair means. I just made a sentence. Okay, everybody in today's world, they want to lead a lavish life, and you have seen cases that people are following unfair means. So if you want to lead a fancy life, it is my request, please work hard. If you want to have a lavish life, just work very hard, burn your midnight oil lamp and work hard, and you all can lead a lavish life. So did you see, instead of saying very fancy, I said lavish. Fancy, advanced word, lavish. So students, this was all for today's session. I hope you all learned so many new vocabulary words, and again, if you all have any doubts, any queries, please get in touch with us. Till then, this is your trainer Payal here signing off, and before I leave, we are going to come with the third part. Okay, so stay connected with Be The Perfect. Thank you.